Namaskar, my name is Leena and I'm part of Bajaj Finserv CSR and I look at two portfolios. One is education and the other is child protection. And both I feel are very interconnected because education as a theme encompasses every other field, and it's like a bedrock that is required for a child to build a solid foundation in. Now, mental health again is a very important area that we have called out in the context, both in the context of education and child protection. It's a high need segment and also often neglected and misunderstood by a lot of stakeholders that we work with. And primarily, in order to give greater benefit to the beneficiaries that we touch upon, so we have partnered with quite a number of expert agencies that work in the field of mental health, not only to cater to a direct beneficiary, which of course, as we have called out, is the child, and the age that we have defined is the child should be from 0 to 18 years. Yes, I mean, early identification of signs and symptoms is something that we believe is a very important area in the field of mental health. And towards that, greater awareness building is required amongst all stakeholders. For example, if we want to identify a sign or a symptom in a kid, the surrounding environment also needs to be equipped with knowledge so that it becomes easier for, say, a school teacher, a mother, a sibling, an older sibling, or even a neighbor to be able to identify a child in need and then provide that appropriate support system. And AI, I believe, is one such area which has a very high potential to touch a larger number of children who are often hidden from us and don't get the proper follow-up or the proper treatment that is required in order to help the child overcome or even be able to manage the problem that has been identified. So with that in mind, I feel that the services, while AI cannot replace the services that a human being can provide in a mental health scenario, but it definitely has the potential to reach a wider number of children that we feel is important, and also double up as a very handy tool for anyone to access, because a human being often comes with a set of requirements or problems that are again, where access becomes difficult. Access to a quality practitioner in the field of mental health is often tough because of the dearth of good professionals in this area, and also there is a huge gap between the demand and supply side of it. For example, if we see, if we often reach out to a market and find out like what are the charges that a good mental health professional charges in order to see a child, in order to even do that first screening or visit. So it's quite exorbitant if we actually see. And normal human being or a person from underserved area may not be able to access such a high value service. But of course, why deny a larger segment that is in greater need? So towards this, I think MICA is a very good example of an app that has been generated by Team VOPA and in partnership with Parivartan Trust. So Team Vopa has the expertise in dealing with technical issues and coming up with innovative solutions. So they have been doing a lot of technology assistance in the field of education, and that has now been extended to also serve other areas like mental health. So it's also a very good example of a partnership between two NGOs that we have partnered with to share resources and best practices and to come together to generate something innovative like this that has the capacity to double up as a friend, basically a friend in need for a kid who is otherwise denied the services that he or she deserves. And this has the potential to be replicated at a wider scale, and it has been developed as a pilot, and we really feel that this will go a long way to bridge the gap between the demand and supply of services in this sector. And the other thing that comes with it is it also has a set of responses ready that can serve as an emotional first aid to a child, and it can really help a child come up with options and solutions to deal with his or her day-to-day problems. So it is a preventive as well as a treatment kind of a package that offers endless possibilities to those who can access. Also, since it is open, it can be accessed by anyone, and the resources again are such that they are curated by expertise in this field, and therefore it's not something that will misguide you. So the guidance that is given is proper, and options that are there are good for a child to choose from. So from that lens, I feel it's a great innovative step towards solving a bigger issue and a greater need. So thank you so much, and wishing everyone a successful endeavor in this whole initiative.